good morning, you guys. So yeah, so we're at the dock, putting in our early morning run, shipping off some stuff to the island, and then I have to stop home for some clothes to go to the bank. I have to go to the bank to deposit some money. Anyways, guys, so just came out the bank. I need to go and yeah, I need to go to the grocery store. I need to get me a creamer because I need to make me some coffee. Yes, sir. Anyways, y'all, so I'm going heading into the grocery store to go and get my creamer. I wonder if I should try another creamer. What's this one? Let's see. Some. Shoo. Try to look like they don't have my creamer. Come on, man. Anywho, you guys, so I'm back. Um, Decided on getting this creamer. Original non-dairy coffee creamer. This is gross and nasty, okay? I haven't tried it yet, but I'm talking about the bottle. That's why I don't really like fuck with extra value shit. It always dirty and dusty and crusty and look like bird shit is all over this. And I just realized that sometimes they have like birds flying inside um the grocery store, like, girl. Anyways, I'm just making my coffee. I haven't had breakfast yet. It's like after 1. I haven't had breakfast or lunch, okay? I just wanted some coffee. Now let me check this coffee. This creamer. Let me make sure that, okay, it has a seal. So I have to wipe this bottle off. I can't. Ugh. Hey y'all. Good morning. What is up? What is up? Anyway, so I'm on my way to go to the beauty store. Not really the beauty store, but it's a beauty store. I don't know. There's a hair store. I'm about to get me some hair. At first I was going with the locks, like the goddess locks or whatever like that. But I was like, no, let me just get a cap one time. Let me just get a weave cap one time, like a hair. But I'm not sure. When I go in there, I'll decide if I want to get the locks or the hair. I just need my hair to be done. I feel horrible. I need to feel like a woman again, okay? I've been putting my hair in ponytails. Like, it's time for a change. Hey y'all, so this is the lace I got. By Sensational, $55, okay? I needed something quick in my hair. Y'all know that I'm trying to get my locks back. Like, I'm trying to grow my hair out to get my locks, so these will have to do. I was looking online for some hair, but some real hair, but yeah. They try to make you pay an arm and leg just to bring in some weave. So, y'all have Rihanna fad. Let me put this bad boy on real quick and I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, so this is what the lace is looking like. Looks pretty good. Looks nice and thin. I like that. You can see my hand through this bitch. Alright. Hey y'all, so anyway, so I'm all done. Yeah, they did a good job on the lace, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of glueless. I never had a glueless wig, but that's what the box said. So I didn't glue nothing down or nothing like that. It still looks good. I forget how bad synthetic actually is, okay? I hate synthetic, okay? That's why I haven't wear synthetic in years. At least my puff wigs, like ponytails and stuff, I don't mind. Or afro puff, yeah, that can go. But these kind of hair, anyways, I'm gonna straighten this in a minute. Probably in the next few days or something like that. I had to put it up in a ponytail because I was like, no, son, no, ma'am, it's hot. And this is very long, so I know this is gonna tangle a lot. At first, it was tangling really bad until I put the oil chain on it. Then it feels pretty good. My hand is actually going through it, not tangling or anything like that. But yeah, y'all know how synthetic goes if y'all had synthetic. Like I don't fuck with synthetic, but one of the reasons why I got this wig is because they said it was premium and mixed with premium fiber or whatever like that. Premium is not that bad, I'm not gonna lie. So it looks more like a yaki texture. It isn't like straight. Yeah. Anyways, so I'm just gonna go and straighten up in my room. Hey y'all! What is up? What is up? Anyways, guys, oh my god, I love. Like, I know I'm always saying this, but I haven't been on the vlog for so freaking long. Like, I haven't been doing nothing. So, y'all, we're about to go head to the fish fry. At Riri. I'm looking for some clothes for her. We're about to go there for a couple hours, get some comforters, like we usually do. We're gonna put this one on her. She never wore this. We're gonna be wearing black and black. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we get back. I forgot to start recording, guys. After I got Brianna dressed, we left out the house. It took us like an hour to get out the house because Brianna's father had to get ready and shit like that. Anyways, so we're at the bar. Yeah. Then we're heading out to Fish Fry to get some comforters. Brianna's in the back there watching a television or tablet.
Before you leave, you'll eat what I want.
Oh my goodness, I know, baby girl.
Yeah. Oh, please. Anyways, you guys, so we still out Fish Fry. Brianna. Everybody loves Brianna. Everyone is tripping over Brianna. I don't know if you guys think they have me get some music, but and also she don't want to be on a leash. She don't want to hold her. She just want to walk. And I keep on telling her, baby, this is not like home. This is pure concrete. You're gonna get scraped up and bruised up. But she don't want to listen. So this is my outfit of the night, you guys. Look like a Chucky doll. Oops. Hey y'all. Anyway, so it's the next day. I don't know how much footage I got from last night. I don't even know like what I was trying to record because y'all I'm trying to record. It's been like 5 days since my last upload. Annoying. I haven't been doing nothing. But I'm about to fry me some chicken. I forget where these chicken is right here. Y'all, I'm just frying now some chicken breast with some Kerrygold butter. The best butter. I need some footage, so I guess you guys are gonna watch me cook. I forgot I had these chicken breasts inside here already seasoned. Let me hurry up do these before they get spoiled or something like that. So let me you guys. So while my meat is on, I'm just gonna straighten up in here a little bit. Washed a couple of dishes as well. That's how she's looking.